then you can see for your very self that we will get those free resources in onestate RP just like that, guys. Hello guys, I will show you how we can get free coins and free money in onestate RP. You can get them for both iOS and Android devices within a few simple steps and just clicking on your phone, guys. Within 3 or 4 minutes it will all be possible. So the grinding days are over. Sit back, relax, and let me show you how we can get those free resources. So we are now loading up onestate RP to see if we will get the free coins and free money and enjoy playing our game, of course. So let me just make sure to start it all right here. Connecting, everything is looking good so far. So let's just connect, of course, and see if this is a game changer and if we'll be playing onestate RP just like that. So maybe I cannot see it from here, but if I enter it, then you can see for your very self that we will get those free resources in onestate RP just like that, guys. So stick till the end of this tutorial because we will start now with the process, the full step-by-step process. So make sure to have your Wi-Fi on, do not use any type of VPN connections, and then open up any browser, but search for appspatch.com. That is the place to be. On appspatch.com, guys, you have a lot of games, a lot of apps. We are here for onestate RP, so just make sure to type it like that, onestate without the space bar and RP with a space bar so that you find it. So we now need to enter our username, select the platform that we are on, and now select the free coins and free money that you want to receive. So we have over 190 active users, 195 to be precise. And we have a console right here building up its progress, and just make sure to let it rest. You can also read about the game right here, but you already know that if you're a onestate RP player. And finally, we have a step-by-step tutorial on what exactly needs to be done for this last step after we tap on the click here button. So you will have two options to go with. You will have the faster one, which is to answer a couple questionnaires. So open up 2 questionnaires and answer them. So just follow those specifics, and that is how you complete this process. Or you will have another way to download 2 apps. Click them from here. You will then be redirected to the official App Store, Google Play Store, and you need to download them. And also, for example, for Family Island, download and reach level 11 to unlock this content. Some other app will have something like download and open up, or download and register. So make sure to read it and complete it that way, guys. And that is how you will enjoy playing onestate RP with the free resources. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was very useful. If you have further questions, drop them in the comment section. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Goodbye.